children, this is Ramesh Arasla from AR Academy GDK. Today 10th class Physical Science first lesson reflection of light. Some of the problems we have to going to solve. Please take a notes and write down. Please look at the board. Okay, here first problem belongs to concave mirror. Concave mirror problem. This is concave mirror. See children, pole, focal point, and this is object. And you see what is the given data? You see radius is given 8 centimeters. So we have to take minus 8 centimeters here. Why? Because in this problem the light rays are coming in this direction. Opposite direction we will measure this radius. Up to here it is radius. C to P it is a radius. So while measuring in this direction we will measure. So we have to take R minus. R given, U given. He asked to find out image distance. Object distance given. Radius of curvature given. Object distance given. Image distance we have to find out. For that we have to make some changes. Radius minus 8 I kept. U I took minus 10 centimeters. Object distance we will measure from pole opposite to this light direction. So we have to take minus 10 centimeter. Remember children. And V we have to find out. To find out, before finding out R, you know, from R we will find F. F equal to radius by 2. Radius how much? Minus 8 centimeter by 2. Means 2 ones are 2 fours are minus 4 centimeters. F we got minus 4 centimeters. What is the relation between U, V and F? We know the mirror formula. Mirror formula is the relation between U, V and F. So what is that? 1 by F equal 1 by U plus 1 by V. So substitute 1 by F means what children here? How much we got? Minus 4 equal to 1 by U means 1 by minus 10 plus V. We have to find out V. 1 by V. So again this you send this side. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4. If you send this side, minus will become plus. Okay. 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4 equal to 1 by V. So here again 4 ones are 4. 10 ones are 10 by 10 into 4 equal to 1 by V. So here 4 minus 10. How much children? Minus 6 by 10 into 4 equal to 1 by V. 2 table. 2 3s are 2 2s are. So how much we will get? Minus 3 by 10 into 2. 10 into 2 equal to 1 by V. Therefore, this is minus 3 by 10 into 2, 20 equal to 1 by V. This can be written as 1 by V equal minus 3 by 20. This can be written as 1 by V by 1 equal to V by 1 equal minus 20 by 3. So V equal minus 20 by 3. Minus 20 by 3 we got. So 20 you divide with 3. This 3. 3 6 the 18. 2 remaining. Again 20. 18. 2 6 the. Again 2 remaining. 20 minus 18 2. Again 6. How much we are getting? Minus 6.66 we are getting. This we can write V equal minus 6.67 here centimeter. So centimeters. So V equal to finally we can write 6.67 centimeter children. This minus sign indicates that it is in the opposite direction of the light rays. That you have to remember. What he asked to find out, what he gave? Radius he gave. From that we calculated F. By using F value, U and V, by using mirror formula 1 by F is for 1 by U plus 1 by V, we calculated image distance. How much we got? 6.67 centimeters. You see this diagram here. Characteristics also we can imagine. This is the object. Parallel light ray is going and going from the reflection going from the F according to rule 1. And rule 3, the light ray which is passing through the screen, again it will reflect back in the same direction. Rule 3, sign convention rules also we know. And rules for concave mirrors are also you know. From that, this is rule 1 and this is rule 3, and they are meeting at a point there. Inverted image is forming, and we can catch on the screen. So this is real image and inverted image, real image and small image, diminished image will form. These are the characteristics of the image formed. So in this we calculated the image distance and we assumed the estimated the characteristics of that image. We will go to next problem. This also belongs to concave mirror problem. In this is a concave mirror. You see, other side it is color, and here also radius given. So we took as minus y because while measuring we will take from pole opposite to the light direction. So minus 5 centimeters. From this, f you can calculate. F is equal to r by 2. So r is how much, children? Minus 15 by 2. You can write centimeters. Okay. This is f. And V means image distance he gave this time. Image also will form in this here, somewhere else it is forming. Minus we are taking y because it is opposite to the light ray directions. He gave 30 centimeters. I am taking minus 30 y because it is opposite to the light direction. What we have to find out in this problem? U, object distance we have to calculate. Here what information he gave? Concave mirror, radius given. From that radius I calculated f, means f given. V he gave, u he asked to find out. U means what? Object distance we have to find out. For this also, relation between u, v and f is what, children? Again mirror formula. Mirror formula is the useful formula here. 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. 1 by f means what, children? F, where is the f? Minus 15 by 2. 1 by u not there, you have to find out u. 1 by v means 1 by minus 30. Here you can write this as 2 by 15. 2 by 15 equal to 1 by u plus 1 by minus 30. So plus into minus 2 by 15, 1 by u minus 1 by 30. You minus 1 by 30 bring this side, it will become plus 1 by 30. Here minus 2 by 15 equal to 1 by u. 1 by u. Children, concentrate more and look at the board. Here to make 30, what I am doing, you observe. 1 by 30 minus 2 into 2 by 15 into 2 equal to 1 by u. So 1 by 30 minus 2 to the 4, 15 to the 30. Here I am making equal denominators. So it is easy to calculate them. So 30 LCM and here 1 minus 4 directly is equal to 1 by u. 1 minus 4 how much, children? Minus 3 by 30 equal to 1 by u. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 1 by minus 1 by 10 equal to 1 by u. This can be written as u by 1 equal to minus 10 by 1. So u equal to minus 10. Here you see centimeter. So you take centimeters. So in this minus sign, object distance how much came? Minus 10 centimeter. This indicates it is opposite to the light direction. We can write like this. U equal 10 centimeters. Finally you can write. No problem. Okay. Here how much we got? Object distance 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. It is we got here object distance. You see image somewhere else. Image 30 centimeters. It is opposite to this direction. And u how much we got? 10 centimeters. Somewhere else here. It is forming between C and F. Image is forming like this. This we have to understand from this problem. What he gave? R he gave. We changed the signs according to the rules, and F we calculated, and by using the mirror formula, 1 by F is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by F, 1 by F is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. We calculated the object distance. How much we got? 10 centimeters. Last problem, children, please look at the board. This is the convex mirror problem. Here R given 3 meters, you observe. U given 5 meters. This is object distance. This is radius of curvature. From this F we calculated. Simple, children. If you do 3 by 2, F equal to what? 3 by 2 means R by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1.5 are. That's why I wrote 1.5 meters is the F. F you know, U you know, you have to change minus 5. Why? Because object we are keeping here, in this direction light rays are going. So from pole we have to measure the object distance. So oppositely we are measuring, we have taken minus 5 meters. F, why I have taken plus value only? Plus 1.5 meters, why I am taking? Why? Because F is here, PF distance is F. It is inside the mirror as well as from pole we are measuring in this direction. In light direction only we are measuring the F distance. So we are taking plus. In the light direction we are measuring. So we are taking plus. Opposite to the light direction as we are measuring U value, we are taking minus. That you have to remember. Now what is the relation between the U, V and F? That is again mirror formula. Mirror formula. What is mirror formula, children? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Substitute the values. Let us substitute the values. F value how much? Here 3 by 2 I am writing. 1 by 3 by 2. No problem. 3 by 2 I am writing. 1 by U. U means what? U means how much? Minus 5. Plus 1 by V. V we don't know. We have to find out. So here 3 by 2. Instead of 1.5 I took 3 by 2. No problem. This will become 2 by 3 equal to minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by V. This you bring this side. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by V. So 3 ones are 3, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 equal to 1 by V. Observe carefully, children. Here 3 plus 10 how much? 13. 13 by 15 equal to 1 by V. 1 by V. So 1 by V equal to 13 by 15. V by 1 equal to 15 by 13. That is V equal to 15 by 13. Here meters are there. So this is also meters. So if you divide 15 with 13, 13 ones are 13. How much here remaining? 2.0. 13 ones are 13. 7. 7 means 5. 65. How much we are getting? 1.15 meters. This is the image distance, children. By using this information F, U, V, by using mirror formula, again we calculated the image distance. What we calculated? Image distance we calculated V equal to 1.15. Children, one more thing, you listen and look at the board. Here characteristics, if you see, inside small image is forming, you see, according to ray 1, this is ray 1, this is ray 3, ray 1 is going like this and reflecting from F. Ray 3 is going in this direction, C direction, coming back. These two are intersecting here, image is forming, erect image is forming, you see. Small image is forming, erect image, small image, virtual image, you can't catch on screen. So that is called virtual image. What are the characteristics here in this convex mirror? Virtual image, erect image, diminished small image is forming, children. So today what we calculated? Concave mirror problem, one problem, concave mirror. Here F, R given, U given, V asked to find, we calculated, and characteristics. And concave mirror, R given, V given, from that we calculated F, and finally asked to find out U, we calculated finally by using mirror formula. This also by using mirror formula. Finally R he gave, F he calculated, U and V and F relation. Finally we got the image distance and characteristics also we assumed. And while doing problem, children, remember sign convention rules, very important. And convex, concave mirrors, that rules there, no, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, those are also very important while solving problem. Remember, children, and practice these problems like this. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment. Bye.